Hi guys, it's Kenz. I am so excited to be here today on set of the shoot of my Wildflower case.
I'm Sydney.
And I'm Devin.
And we are shooting our newest collab today. I've always called her Kenz Nation. That's her name to me. We are so excited to be shooting her today. And her case is so cute. Kiss Nation.
Kiss Nation by Kenz Nation.
Kiss Nation by Kenz Nation.
We love you, Kenz.
The Kenz collab.
Kensington forever.
These are actually Kenz's lips.
Yeah, they really are.
Do you believe it or not?
Comment down below if you can guess one of the lipsticks that she
Yeah,
uses.
if you can guess the shade, brand, and color.
I love this case. It just makes me want to have a girls' night and be girly and have fun and just really embrace
Lipstick.
lipstick.
So come along with us. Let's dance. Let's party. Let's enjoy the day of our photo shoot with Kenz
And Martin.
and Martin.
Daisy Lynn.
Hi, princess.
Yay!
Do you like the new Kenz case, princess?
Yeah.
Can't wait for you guys to get your hands on this. And I hope it inspires you to film and get ready with me.
So my inspiration behind the case, I really wanted to do something that involved makeup. If you guys know anything about me, I obviously love makeup and I find so much inspiration behind it. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. I wanted to do something cute and fun, just like very girly vibes. So I did a bunch of different lipstick kisses, and just seeing this like in real life and being here, it's been in the works for a few months and it's so exciting to like finally have it all coming to life. These are all my kisses. I went through my makeup drawers and just found all my favorite reds and pinks, and yeah, pretty much made out with a piece of paper with a million times, and we got some amazing kiss marks. So yeah, these are all me. I have been a Wildflower fan for so long, probably since 2018, like 5 or 6 years now. These are the only phone cases that are on my phone, and I cannot even explain to you how excited I was when I heard that they wanted to do a collab with me, because I was just like, this is literally what dreams are made of. I just have met Devin and Sydney just from being around in LA for a long time. I've just known them, and they've always been super sweet, so it's cool now to like be able to do something and like work together, especially on something that like I love. I also wanted the case that you don't have to know who I am to like wear it. So I think it's just super cute, like girls' night out vibes, like this on a table, drinking espresso martinis. I think it's just really fun. And if you're a makeup lover too, I just think it's like really cute. My first like memory of really getting into makeup was probably around 10 years old. So my mom was a model. I was always around makeup and grew up around it. And then I became obsessed with YouTube and trying to recreate looks on myself. And then I ended up modeling, and when I was modeling, I didn't like the modeling part, but I loved the makeup part. Having this as a career, I never thought it would be possible. So it went from modeling to now makeup full time, and it's actually a dream come true. Like, I don't know how any of this is real right now, even talking to you guys, it's like pretty nuts. Makeup has just been an outlet for me for sure, and it's a nice little, very like therapeutic to me, so, and it's fun, and I like feeling pretty, so. I don't know, I love like the siren eyes. I love the fake freckles. I feel like sometimes it can get like out of hand, but I already have some freckles, so like drawing them on and making them darker. I'm also just a big blush lover, like lots of blush. Or like I love like a 90s lip, like a dark lip liner, lighter like lip is pretty much everything. Clean girl, all of it. There's no rules with makeup, and you really just need to practice and like learn what works with your face, because what works with other people's face and skin types will not necessarily work for you. So less is more. Start light. Keep playing around with it until you find things that you like. And so like love watching YouTube videos, love watching my TikToks if you like want to learn any tips.
Hi guys, I'm Brigitte. I'm the stylist on set today for Kenz's collab. So I wanted to show a few of the favorite looks we have that we might be wearing today. We have this gorgeous dress from Fancy Club. And this was a huge moment that I think we're gonna do from Nana Jacqueline. And it has like fur that goes across and then red velvet gloves. We have a gorgeous vintage Oscar de la Renta dress. Yeah, just honestly a lot of pink, red, white, black, very neutrals. But I think we're gonna really go with like the red, pink, and black moments today. Lots of options. And then over here, we have all the shoes. I did a little bit of edgy options, but also some like really elegant and feminine, so we could kind of play off of the clothing and mix and match a little bit. And then this is all of the jewelry we have today on set. Diamonds, some like cool vintage looking earrings, lots of stuff to play with. It'll be a lot of fun today.
Okay guys, I'm gonna do a little fun what's in my bag. I've been traveling and there's definitely some fun stuff in here. First, we have this wallet. It's pink, cute, from Bottega. These Dior sunglasses have become like my security blanket. No matter where I am, like airports, these stay on my face. I have an emotional attachment to them. Powder in case I get a little bit oily. This is the Fenty Beauty one. My house keys that don't have car keys on them because I got my license and I don't drive still. So we have a little camera, digital camera, adapter for the digital camera. Then I have a million different lip products. Let's see what I have. So I have this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Lip Oil. It's a lip conditioner. Then we have MAC Kinda Sexy. It's a nice like nudie color. We have a Fenty Gloss Bomb. These are just like everything. Mario Plumping Lip Balm. And then we have Makeup Forever Versatile Chestnut, which is one of my favorite lip liners. And you can use this like all over your face. I'll do fake freckles, I'll do eyeliner, lip liner, it's everything. Last but not least, I have lots of trash and Lifesavers mints. I don't like chewing gum all the time, so I'll just keep these and they're really good. And they keep your breath nice and fresh. So, if you're gonna give any kisses, little Lifesavers mint. Okay, that was what's in my bag. So much fun today, and yeah, bye.
Thank you for watching. You can shop Ken's case now on wildflowercases.com. Shout out to Ken's for the wonderful kissy lips and case. We are so excited.
And we love you.
Love you.